girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making my Nanna'S peach cobbler. If you want to see how to make this delicious peach cobbler, then stay tuned. Okay girl, so grab yourself a pie plate of your choice, and you're going to be needing a can of peaches, heavy in a syrup. Now if you are a peaches type of girl, then grab yourself two. And we are going to be needing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You're also going to be needing 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and of course we're going to be needing our pie crust. I am using Pillsbury to come in a pack. And you want to grease your pie plate. I'm using avocado oil, or you can use Pam spray. Now you want to go ahead and prep your pie crust. One of the pie crusts you're going to make little slices like so. Moving on to our filling. So over a medium heat, you're going to add your peaches and all of your ingredients. Now you're going to bring this to a light boil, and then we are going to sit it and let it cool before we pour our filling into our pie plate. Now here I just added some leftover dough I had into my pie plate. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my filling. So grab your other half of your pie crust and those little strips that you made. We're going to begin to start laying those over our pie. And the little bits that I had left over that was hanging over, I'm just going to take that and stick that down into the filling so I can have some little dumplings inside my filling. Ooh, y'all, also delicious. So you're going to grab yourself a small bowl and 2 slices of butter with a little bit of cinnamon. Melt that, and we're going to brush that all over our pie crust. Now if you do not have unsalted butter, if you watch my previous turkey pot pie recipe, go back and watch that. I'll link that in the cards. You can make yourself an egg wash if you don't have unsalted butter. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 325 and bake on 325 for 30 to 45 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that food porn. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you try the recipe. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next one. I love you. Bye-bye.